Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to mute a video using the Wondershare UniConverter 14 on Mac. Step 1. Open the Wondershare UniConverter and select the converter either from the home page or from the Tools menu on the left side. Click the Add Files button to import your target video. Step 2. Click on the audio settings right over here. You'll see the video's audio tracks. In this case, we only have one. It's a stereo track, as you can see. To mute the video, deselect this audio track by clicking here on this little box. Or you can deselect all audio tracks with just one click if it has multiple audio channels. Step 3. Choose an output format. Click the output format button at the bottom left corner and select the video format you'd like to use. I recommend using the file's original format. Step 4. Finally, click the Convert button to start saving your file. Once it's finished processing, you can find the converted files under the Finish tab or locate them by clicking the folder icon right over here. And that's it. Thank you for watching our tutorial videos. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try the Wondershare UniConverter for free. See you in the next video.